are a little longer than they need to be. I can trim those off. This is probably not catch my hair on fire like that. That's like a good idea. So whenever you cut off a bolt like this, you got to make sure you get the threads cleaned up so that your nut isn't all boogered up. Easiest way to do that is to just grind a 45 on the end of it. Still a little bit boogery. Hang on, what the heck is it? That's clear. Link. Oh, come on, got it weird. There we go. Lovely. Now I gotta make 3 more step links. All right. So right now, Matt's removing all the bolts on the end.
I'll go over and kick that. I'll kick that, yeah.
Hey there, folks. So we took that motor, we put it on the engine stand, we got it set in place, we took all the parts off of it. And I guess in the next videos you'll see us getting things prepped so we can put it back together. I know Matt's got a bunch of parts to order. We need gaskets and.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of money to spend, but we're gonna prep the block. Basically, we're tearing it down just to reseal everything. We're gonna port the heads. We're gonna do a self-porting, first one ever that we've done. So we're just gonna try it and figure it out because I mean, if other people can do it, we can do it too, and we ain't spending no money on it. We're trying to do this engine as pretty much as cheap as possible, because it's not an ideal block. I'm not even taking the crank out of it or the pistons. We're going to advance the cam a little bit, stock cam, and we're going to port the heads, reseal it, throw it back in the truck, see what she does.
Yep. And you'll see me as we're going forward with the engine. I'm not an engine. I've never been an automotive mechanic. That's not. I've worked on aircraft. I've loaded weapons on fighter jets. I've worked on tractors. I've done a lot of fabrication work. I've never been an automotive engine guy. He is. So I'll be leaning on his expertise on where we're supposed to be going. And where his expertise fails, we're just going to wander through it.
We're going to wing it. I'm not an engine expert by any means, but previous life I was an automotive mechanic, a technician for Dodge. But I know how to put one together and how to take one apart, and we're just going to do little things we think we can make a little bit more power, and it's pretty much going to be a stock block, but we'll degree the cam and just little things that you're supposed to do to when you build an engine right. So we're going to do that and clean up. I want to clean up the block because it came out of an '89 Bronco, and it's been sitting for years, and it's muddy and nasty. We're gonna steam clean everything, and so we'll get it back together and see how she does.
Yep. Well, we appreciate y'all watching. God bless, and remember, like and subscribe.
Absolutely. God bless you.